What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick review of Tronsmart Element T6 Mini Bluetooth speaker. We will talk about all of its features, design, performance, pros and cons. But first of all, if you have not subscribed to this channel so far, then press the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for all of the future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. On the retail box of Element T6 Mini Bluetooth speaker, you will find a picture of the device and few of the hardware specs and features of this Bluetooth speaker. Inside the box, you will find the Element T6 Mini Bluetooth speaker, a warranty card, user manual, a USB Type-C cable, and a 3.5mm aux cable. And now let's talk about the design. Tronsmart Element T6 Mini Bluetooth speaker is a tiny little speaker that weighs just 560 grams and it is less than 5 inches in height. The build quality is rugged and very durable. Most of the exterior of the speaker is covered by a fabric mesh, and in the rest of the parts, rubber is used on this Bluetooth speaker. The sound comes out of the whole fabric part, so you get a 360-degree audio experience. At the top of the Tronsmart Element T6 Mini Bluetooth speaker, you will find 4 keys and a microphone that you can use for various purposes. On the back of the speaker, there is a slot where you will find the micro SD card slot, the Type-C port, and a 3.5mm aux port. All of these ports are protected very well, and there is no chance that the water will go inside to damage any of these ports and interior components. Element T6 Mini comes with IPX6 certification, so basically it is water resistant and splash resistant. So you have to keep one thing in your mind, that this is not waterproof, it's just splash resistant. So you can use it in outdoors when it's raining without worrying about the safety of this speaker, but better not to take a chance of submerging the Element T6 Mini in the water. On the bottom of the back side, there are 2 holes in which you can connect the lanyards, and then at the bottom you will find a shiny little part that looks metallic but it is not. The rubber part of the speaker provides nice grip while holding the Element T6 Mini in hands, but it attracts dirt and fabric material very quickly, and if you use it in outdoors, it gets dirty very quickly. The good part is, since this is splash resistant, you can wash it to make it look brand new very easily. Overall, the design of Element T6 Mini is quite good. It looks beautiful, it's lightweight, it's durable and rugged, and it is splash resistant as well. Now talking about the audio quality, Element T6 Mini comes with a 15-watt output. That is good enough to enjoy the music in your room, in a small parties, outdoors, in the poolside, or while you are camping. The audio output is loud enough to enjoy the music when you are not too far away from the speaker. And in the case where you need more audio output, the good part is that Tronsmart Element T6 Mini comes with TWS pairing feature. So you can pair 2 of these speakers to each other and then connect them to your smartphone to play the same music on both of these speakers at the same time. It will improve the audio experience in 2 ways. First of all, it will increase the total amount of audio output, and it will create a nice stereo effect as well. There is a passive radiator used in the Element T6 Mini, and because of that, it produces deep bass. You get 360-degree surround sound effect with good amount of clarity and deep bass. You can play any kind of music on T6 Mini speaker and you will enjoy the audio quality of it for sure. It comes with 2500 mAh battery that you can charge using the USB Type-C cable. It takes nearly 3.5 hours to charge from 0% to 100%, and on full volume it provides nearly 16 hours of battery life. As claimed by Tronsmart, if you play the music on 50% volume, then it can survive as long as 24 hours. Now talking about the features, all of the keys provided on the top of Element T6 Mini perform multiple tasks. You can use the power button to power on or off, and you can also use it for TWS pairing with another Tronsmart Element T6 Mini speaker. The play pause button can be used for playing and pausing the music being played, to answer or end a phone call, redialing a phone call, disconnect the Bluetooth connection with your smartphone, and also to launch the voice assistant on your smartphone. One drawback here is that to launch the voice assistant on your smartphone, you have to press the play pause key for 5 seconds, and if you press it for 8 seconds, then the Bluetooth will be disconnected. So you literally need to press the button and count up to 5 and then remove the finger to launch the voice assistant on your smartphone. If you keep it longer, then the Bluetooth connection will be terminated. So this is a bit tricky and hard to use. It would be nice if Tronsmart can provide a dedicated button just to launch the voice assistant on the smartphone. The volume keys you can obviously use for increasing or decreasing the volume, and also to move between the previous and next track. You can use up to 64 GB of microSD card in the memory card slot, and if the battery of the Element A6 Mini is finished, or you just do not want to use the Bluetooth connection for whatever reason, then you can use the provided 3.5mm aux cable to connect the speaker with your smartphone and enjoy the music without spending the battery over the Bluetooth connection. The microphone at the top of the Element A6 Mini is good enough for making voice calls and also for giving instruction to the voice assistant on your smartphone. So overall, Tronsmart Element A6 Mini speaker is a nice little speaker that scores good point in every aspect. The design and build quality is nice, it is lightweight, you can carry it anywhere, it is splash resistant and rugged enough to use it in outdoors. It provides nice 360-degree surround sound effect with good bass quality, with sufficient amount of loudness and audio output. The battery life is quite impressive, and it comes with additional features like option to play music via 3.5mm aux cable and from a microSD card. And then we got the option to connect another Element A6 Mini using the TWS pairing mode to create a nice stereo effect and increase the amount of loudness to enjoy the music. So if you are looking for a nice little Bluetooth speaker without spending too much money, then Tronsmart Element A6 Mini is one of the best options that you can consider. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.